Module 6, Lesson 2's objective is to use math drawings to represent equal groups and relate to repeated addition. Item 1. Write a repeated addition equation to show the number of objects in each group. Then find the total. I will highlight the important details. Write a repeated addition equation. Find the total. Item A. As you can see, there are 3 groups. It looks like those might be paintbrushes. 3 groups of paintbrushes. In order to create a repeated addition equation, we need to write down the number of paintbrushes that are in each group. Well, the first group has 1, 2, 3. So I'll put a 3 here. The second group has 1, 2, 3. I'll put another 3 here. And the third group has 1, 2, 3. And another 3 goes there. So what we have is 3 groups of 3 paintbrushes. So how much is 3 groups of 3 paintbrushes? That's what goes on the next line. Let's add them up. There are 3 here, plus 3 more is 6, plus 3 more is 9. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. That means that 3 groups of 3 is equal to 9. Now let's look at the paint cans on item B. There are 4 groups of paint cans. What we need to figure out, though, is how many are in each group. There are 1, 2 cans in the first group, so we'll put a 2 there. 1, 2 cans in the second group. 1, 2 cans in the third group. And 1, 2 cans in the fourth group. So there are 4 groups of 2. I'm going to let you add that up and figure out what the total is. Go ahead and do that now. Once you know the total, write it here and here. Problem 2. Draw 1 more equal group. I'll highlight that now. Draw 1 more equal group. And I'm even going to circle the word equal to remind myself that each group has to have the same number of objects in it. As you can see, the objects this time are cars. Let's go ahead and make a repeated addition equation. 1, 2, 3 in the first group. 1, 2, 3 in the second group. 1, 2, 3 in the third group. 1, 2, 3 in the fourth group. But look at that 5th group. We're supposed to draw 1 more group of cars that has an equal number in it. All of the other groups had 3 cars in them, so I better make sure there are 3 cards in my in my 5th group. Now, I'm not a very good artist, so instead of spending the time drawing a car, I'm just going to go ahead and draw C for car. 1, 2, 3. And now I'll write it right there. So that means we have 5 groups of 3 cars. Now, you go ahead and add them all up and figure out what 5 groups of 3 is. The answer will go here and here. Don't forget to count the group that you drew as well.